Hi, I am Harry and this is my McLaren M8C Can-Am race car. It raced in the Canadian-American Challenge Cup in 1970 and 1971, driven by a Canadian gentleman called John Cords with the number 57 on the car. This M8C was built by Trojan for McLaren in England and had a natural aspirated V8 engine, which is basically a Chevy V8, with some race modifications to it, like for example these intakes, which we called the trumpets. It's got around 9 liters of capacity, it's got 800 horsepower and famously 1000 Newton meters at any revs, which makes it unbelievable powerful if you think about it, that this car weighs, with a driver and race fuel, way under a ton. Just to explain that, it doesn't make a difference if you are at 100 kilometers per hour or 200 kilometers per hour. The acceleration is exactly the same at any speed, at any RPM. It's just absolutely mind-blowingly fast. We're doing well over 300 at many tracks, and at Monza we're doing even 350 on the main straight. Behind the engine we got a 5-speed non-synchronized Hewland gearbox and differential. This whole car has Avon slick tires, and on the rear they are 425 millimeters wide. You need this kind of rubber. Just to give you an idea why. When you are at Spa-Francorchamps and came out of La Source, the hairpin, and going all the way to Rouge, this car lays down black marks on the whole track. It's just unbelievable how much power it has. As you can see, this car is very basic. We got a big engine, a gearbox, some suspension, and small steel brakes which sometimes work. And you got no real seat, and you're just centimeters away from the track. In the good old days, these were filled with over 100 liters of fuel each, because these guys were doing 2-hour races without a pit stop, without fresh rubber, fuel or any brake. Just real racing on real tracks. We are doing 30-minute races, and our next race will be on the Nürburgring at the end of May. And we would hope to see you there and hope to see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.